The OnePlus Watch 3 is here. And it's not just a smartwatch, it's the final piece of the OnePlus ecosystem puzzle. Imagine a world where your watch does more than track steps, it connects everything seamlessly. OnePlus Watch 3 brings a premium design with a sharp AMOLED display, long battery life, and advanced health tracking, including heart rate, SpO2, stress, and sleep monitoring. It's smarter too, with Bluetooth calling, smart notifications, and built-in GPS. You're always connected, even without your phone. But what really sets it apart? How it works with your OnePlus phone, buds, pad, or even your TV. OnePlus Health keeps your data in one place. And thanks to seamless fast pair, ecosystem sync, and remote controls, everything just clicks. The OnePlus Watch 3 isn't just a wearable. It's the missing link, the control center, the bridge between your devices. Complete your ecosystem. OnePlus Watch 3. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget subscribe, like and share video.